All right, how about this weather? It's just been really great. Once again, Josh.
Oh, yeah. I mean, really kind of starting last week, seeing the comfortable conditions taking us well into the weekend. There you go, some summer hiking views as the summer blooms are in full swing up over the high terrain at the Cascades. Snow continuing to melt off of Mount Adams, Mount Hood itself as the sunshine was in abundance Sunday, and seeing much of the same this evening as well as we hover right around 77 degrees out towards Government Camp. Beautiful view of Mount Hood this evening as we prepare for more dry and hot weather as we work our way into Tuesday. Temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor, upper 80s, low 90s across the board with 60s enjoyed along the shoreline. And that puts our temperatures up anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees for much of the Pacific Northwest over the past 24 hours or so as the dry, sunny skies still remain. But we are picking up a bit of that marine layer along the shoreline, and that's only expected to intensify as we move our way into tomorrow. But we got a few bubble-up thunderstorms out towards Northern California trying to work their way to the north into places like Medford. If anything, you're seeing those thunderstorms off in the distance. But the lightning potential, it starts to increase tomorrow. Specifically for the central eastern locations of the Beaver State, we have red flag warnings in effect along with fire weather watches. Basically what that means is the lightning is going to be increasing the threat of starting and potentially spreading brand new fires as early as tomorrow afternoon. So the sunny, dry weather for the Portland area takes us through the rest of the night as our temperatures slide back into the 70s just before midnight. All in preparation of our latest cold front. It's going to take a day or two to eventually impact western Oregon, southwest Washington with an increase in the cloud coverage by about Wednesday. So tomorrow, just a few isolated storms out towards the east. We steer clear of that at least through the I-5 corridor as we prepare for this next ridge of high pressure to bring back the summer heat just in time for the end of the week and into next weekend as well. Futurecast does show a nice start to the day tomorrow. We'll be starting the day off along the coast with the marine layer. It hugs the shoreline for much of the afternoon with a nice onshore flow. So keep in mind those winds going up and over the Cascades, downsloping winds out towards the east. So the gusty conditions also a threat to the fire potential as that cold front increases the rain chance out along the coast. Again, it's just a very slim chance. Better chance for some lightning strikes out towards the central eastern sections of the state tomorrow, as our rain gauges are expected to remain relatively dry across much of our area. Maybe some of us lucky enough to pick up on 1/10 of an inch along the coast, but July definitely holding on to that rain deficit. We have seen no measurable rainfall right here in the city, sitting below normal for the driest month by just over 1/10 of an inch. All right, 60 degrees is where we fall to tonight for your Owl's Garden and Home forecast. Keeping those skies on the dry side, we cool things back on Wednesday with an expected temperature of 79 degrees. But hey, look, there's the summer heat, that ridge of high pressure building once again, low 90s for us as we work our way into the weekend. This is great for the kiddos, maybe begging you to head out to a splash pad or maybe the local swimming pool. It's going to be picture perfect for that this weekend.
Yeah, that's exactly what we want to do. It's like you knew.
It's the heart of summer.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.